Hi there, this is Nyasha from Billy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how project teams can subscribe to email notifications within Billy. So you can navigate to settings and then email notifications, and you're now able to subscribe to new projects by default. Clicking this button just turns off all notifications on a project. You can also listen for notifications of documents that are submitted in our directory as well. Again, selecting this button also turns it off. You can also add yourself to projects by just enabling this button. So Billy Trade Center 22, I am now subscribed. I can also unsubscribe from Colorado Convention Center, but also be on EV Construction Master Insurance list. Within the project itself, project teams also have flexibility to add themselves onto email notifications. For example, if you select the mega menu button, you now have this ability to select notifications. You'll notice that everybody who's in the user list is added, but you can also remove them as well, and they can also unsubscribe by themselves as well. So users who are listed within a project will get notifications of documents that have been uploaded for vendors within their projects themselves. Thank you.